An insurance plan and a retirement plan. Both these aspects are two pillars of financial planning. Interesting to know, only one of that will be useful for you in your life. If that is the case, which one should you choose? In this episode, I am going to discuss all aspects of this issue and try to find a logical answer. This is NRI Money Clinic for you, and I am Dr. Chandrakant Bhatt, investment consultant and a financial planner.
NRI Money Clinic. No hype, just the right advice.
An insurance plan and a retirement plan. Only one of that will be a reality in your life, not both. If this were to be a problem, how do we solve this particular problem? What is the right thing that we have to do? To know the answers, let us look at some of the things that we do and how we approach this particular problem, and let's try to find an answer through these examples. Insurance is all about a safety protocol. Safety is very important in life. It's important in everything. When we invest our money, we look for safety. When we travel from one point to the other point, we look for safety. When we move in one vehicle or the other vehicle, we are always concerned about the safety. What are the things we do to create this safety in our lives? Our cars are fitted with airbags. Our cars are fitted with seat belts. We carry a spare wheel just in case. An aircraft is over-designed for safety. A fighter pilot has an ejectable seat built with a parachute. These are all the safety protocols. But when we move from one point to the other in a journey, we realize that all the things that we have put as a safety measures here are waste because the vehicle did not meet with an accident. Your insurance plans look similar. When you reach from one end of the life to the other end of the life, you suddenly realize this insurance plan is of no use to you. But is it really of no use to you? The answer is no, it has served its purpose. We do not know who is going to meet with an accident. We do not know who is going to have an untimely death. We do not know who is going to suffer from a critical illness insurance. Since this is something which is concerned with an unknown, even though it may or may not help you, you need to be carrying an insurance plan all throughout your life. Now let us look at the retirement plan. What happens in case of a retirement plan? At some point of time in your life, you will start with a retirement plan. You start contributing to the plan. You start building a corpus. Now this will be useful to you only when you retire. If you have no incidents of critical illness or if you don't have an incidence of untimely death in your life, this retirement plan is useful to you. What if you could be the victim of untimely death or a critical illness? Then suddenly you realize that the retirement plan that you have put in will stop at that point of time. Whatever the money that you have put in there will go to the nominee. But the originally well thought retirement plan will abruptly stop at that particular point. By this time, you have realized now that only an insurance plan or a retirement plan will help you in your life. If you are a victim of untimely death or critical illness, it is the insurance plan which helps you. If you pass to the other end of your life by the age of retirement, and if there is no incidence of death or critical illness, that is the time your insurance plan will become a waste and the retirement plan will take over. You will not have both working for you simultaneously. If insurance plan and retirement plan, only one of that can be of help to you, which one should you buy? Should you buy only insurance plan or should you buy only retirement plan? The correct answer is not choosing between insurance plan and a retirement plan, but the right thing to do is to have both. One will take care of an unplanned exit from this world. The other one will take care of a planned retired life. One of that will be a reality and you need to be having both with you. The insurance plan that you have works like a spare wheel in your car. Now that I have argued that you should have both an insurance plan and a retirement plan, which one should you start first. An ideal situation is you start them simultaneously in your life at the earliest possible time. If you don't have the resources or if you don't have the bandwidth to start both the things, the first thing that you have to start is your insurance plan, because it is on the protection premises that your family could proceed further. If there is no protection in the system, there is no guarantee that they will have a retirement plan going forward from there. If you can't start both the things together, the first thing that you have to start is your insurance plan and then attempt a retirement plan. Now let us look at the advantages and disadvantages of starting an insurance plan and a retirement plan early. What can be the consequences if we start it late? In case of both retirement plan and an insurance plan, starting early requires less resources. If you start very early, your insurance premiums are small. It is very, very affordable. It's not going to be a big amount of money that you need because you are a young person. And over the years, your income will also rise and the premium that you pay for this insurance plan appears to be smaller compared to your total salaries that you'll be drawing over the years. Likewise, if you start early retirement plan, the best advantage that you can get is you don't have to spend too much of a money to build your retirement corpus. In the beginning of your career, 25-30 years of your age, you literally have another 30-35 years of work life left with you. Even the small amounts of money you are able to save just by the way of power of compounding can be a big amount of money by the time you retire. When you lose this particular precious time in the beginning of your career, what you lose is this power of compounding. Every year of delay makes you lose this advantage. Now I have argued starting your insurance plan and retirement plan early has distinct advantages. But for any reason, whatever could be your reason, if you are not able to start it early, are there consequences if you start it late? The answer is yes. There are consequences both with respect to your insurance plan and the retirement plan. What is the consequence of starting late on the insurance plan? By starting late, the first effect that you will suffer is increased cost. Your insurance premiums will rise over the years. The second cost, because you are not protected today, before you buy your insurance plan, you may suffer a critical illness or you may not exist in this world. You may not get a chance to buy insurance at all. Don't do this mistake. The third consequence is when you decide to buy insurance, the insurance company may not give you the insurance itself. You could be suffering from some of the disease. You could have met with an accident because of which the insurance company says, sorry, I cannot consider your life for insurance. Or the insurance company may come and say that yes, I will cover, but you have to pay us extra premium. So the cost of delay is increased premium, chances of rejection, or asking you to pay a higher price to buy that insurance policy. What are the consequences of not starting your retirement plan early in life? The consequences are at two levels. Number one, as I said, you will run out of time. Your life is like a cricket match. In the beginning of your career, it's a test match, 5 days, long innings. You can design the game as you want. At 45 years of age, it's a one-day match. At 50 years of age, it's a 20-20 match. So when the length of the match decreases, the asking rate could increase and you may or may not be in a position to build the required corpus. This is one set of problem. The other set of problem is when you move from one end of life to the other end of the life, you will move up the ladder. Your lifestyle increases, your expenses increase. Yes, your income is increasing, but simultaneously your expenses are also on the rise. So you may come in the pulls and pushes of life and may not have enough resources to build your retirement plan. As I said, when the length of the match becomes shorter, you need more and more resources. But if you had started early in life, the power of compounding itself would have built a beautiful and sufficient enough retirement corpus just by the way of power of compounding. But when you start late, it is not the power of compounding which is working in favor of you, rather it is your savings has to build the corpus. So to summarize, Don't choose between an insurance plan and a retirement plan. Make sure you have both. If you cannot start simultaneously in the beginning of your career, first choose the insurance plan and then start the retirement plan. It doesn't mean that you have to push your retirement plan to many more years into the future. No, start it as early as possible. However small the amount could be, that's okay, but you have to design a retirement plan very, very early in life. Dear viewers, if you need the help of a financial planner to design an insurance plan for you, or to design a retirement plan for you, or any other aspects of financial planning service, you can make use of my services as well. I have shown my contact number here on the screen. You can reach to me through a WhatsApp message from any part of the world. What all the things that I am able to help you with, I had done a video earlier. I'll be giving a link for this video here in the cards. You can check through this video the scope of work that I will do and what all the things that I can help you with. Dear viewers, if you think the subject that I discussed was of value to you, please like this video. If you are watching this program for the first time, or if you are yet to subscribe for this channel, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Don't forget to share this video with your near and dear ones. Thank you very much for watching this episode on NRI Money Clinic. I will be back with you with one more topic and one more video very, very soon.
Press the bell icon for more details and subscribe our channel.